Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF file conversion. And in today's video, I will show you how to convert from HTML file to PDF without any stress using this great PDF editor software. For that, what we want to do is to go to convert right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on convert from. Then you have to select HTML to PDF right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for your HTML file. So I have my HTML file in download folder. I'm going to select this Adobe Illustrator right here. I will click on open. Then I'm going to select so you can see right here. I'm going to click on open. The file is HTML to PDF right here, converting. Just like so. HTML to PDF file conversion has been completed. Go ahead and click on OK. And in a few seconds, you have the HTML in your PDF preview right here, just like what you see right here. For you to download and install this particular great software for PDF editor offline, consider to check the download link in the description. Follow the link and download the software, run the setup in your Windows PC or your Mac, and start editing your PDF, convert your PDF offline or for free. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use this great software like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.